Hello, good evening, and welcome back to another episode. This is getting more fun, and this is really interesting because you know very this has actually helped me in a way to just follow the same process which I've been doing for so long, and now I think it's just turned into a form of video that I look forward to doing uh, pretty much every day. Cool. So, coming to sectors, there's nothing that we see on the sector side for the day. And in Nifty Bank Nifty options, it's a good change from yesterday. You see, Nifty has closed 0.7% down, along with same as Bank Nifty, 400 points down, and Nifty is 180 points down. But this swing engulfing bearish has given me uh, a CE short for April series, and now this has just broken down, confirming that the trend has changed. Right? Let's see what. Sorry, my fat fingers are not letting me do this. 575 to 369. The current price is about 558, 560, and 369 is the target. That's there. 260 to 175 looks very strong. Right, so we are going to now look at CE spreads or the bearish side from my execution perspective. I don't know how many of you are on the chat, and I've shared my analysis on PSE index as well, where the breadth has given a bearish breakover, as well as a couple of stocks, NTPC and REC has given a good breakdown along with that with the market structure. So in today's episode, I'm going to look at REC only, and in the description below, I will give the link to my Twitter handle as well and the post that I've shared, so you can get a detailed idea. Right, looking at daily, this is still above moving average. It's not there, but there is an open count which now gets negated because there is closed. Right, let's see what happens. It might come back and take support from moving average. The breadth has turned negative, and NTPC intraday has turned uh, negative with a huge anchor column and then a follow through that has come. Right, so looking at it, we can look at 416 to 400s. This is what we're going to have a look at. And yesterday, I think there was a very strange thing that happened yesterday. All of the futures for next month were showing bearish, and today we see a good close on the bearish side. So somewhere I'm also starting to get new ideas with, as we speak, a lot of queries that keep coming my way, and a lot of suggestions as well that helps me understand this system better and try and get you closer to a stock better. Right, that we can pick and we can go with it. I've been tracking SRF for quite some time. This is a nice turtle breakout on intraday. On daily time frame, this is given a breakout, but now this has come back and closed as a 100% pole. Right, it's still above moving average. Now the setup has turned neutral. Below moving average, this is going to be a little difficult for people holding SRF. Right, so the last range of support that I see for this currently is around 2870. So another good 50-60 points that's there, but just keep a tab on SRF, which is not looking good. 100% pole generally doesn't look that good. Right, so these are some of the small things. SRF on the bearish watch list for the next week, and REC, again, it's on daily time frame. It's not given a confirmed bearishness, but the breadth for PSE index has changed. And let me show you what I am looking at. Right, I generally don't go to this, but across PSC index, you are seeing uh, a three column pattern which is called market structure high or low. And you can see there is a nice rally, pullback, rally, and this has to come back and try and see this. But this three structure is called a market structure high. It has made a high, low, uh, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then you can take this, or you can take the whole chunk of lower high, the lower low, and then a lower high, higher low, and then a higher high. But here it has formed a market structure below this low of 424. I'm expecting it to come down to somewhere, around around 400 at least, as we saw in the intraday. Right, this is the reason why we looked at, if you have a look at NTPC as well, right? See this. This is a three column pattern below the low of this. I think below 353. This opens up as well, right? So these were some of the patterns that were coming, and that is the reason why I did that in-depth study and understood that breadth has now, has a bearish crossover, and these are the two particularly interesting stocks that I had, and I've studied them and I've shared them on my Twitter handle, right? I will share it and continue showing the love. Please keep sending those messages. I'm extremely happy they're coming. I'm getting to learn a lot. I'm getting to, tweak it little by little and communicate the same to you guys in a better manner. Okay. Thank you. Have a good evening. Have a good rest of the week and a profitable week. Thank you.